What's up guys, my name is Andy. In fact, probably most of you know that because if you're watching this video, you've been following my channel for a little bit and I say my name every single time. So this is just a video guys, just to thank you for another great year. It was an expensive year. A lot of parts and things that I have done so far have really changed where I'm at with this car. I'm probably at that point now where you get upside down in the car, right? You got more into it than what it's worth. But that's okay because it's fun and I'm enjoying doing this. And again, for those of you that follow this channel, know that the 66 Mustang is my favorite year. The Fastback is my favorite body style. I've got one, I've been working on it, and over the last couple years, been just chipping away at making it my car and doing what I want to do with it. And I've been making videos to kind of document what I've done, mostly to help you guys out and do some how-to stuff on how to remove this or replace that or upgrade something, and hopefully it's been helping you guys out. So just this video is just going to be one of those recaps of all the stuff we did this year, and so let's just get right into it. That's a good sign. I'm so excited. Oh, she works. Well guys, we're driving. That's a good sign, right? Everything's working so far. That's a good sign, although we shouldn't be surprised, right? I'm surprised because there was a lot of stuff that I had changed and modified and upgraded, and there's just a lot going on with this build other than just the build. So I'm not nervous, but trying to listen to everything and make sure that I can pay attention. You know, I got good oil pressure, temperature's doing its thing, batteries charged. I mean, I got to get some gas, but other than that, everything's good so far. That's what we want, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. That's a recap of 2023. Again, we got a long ways, and I'm looking forward to the stuff I'm gonna be doing next year. For those who've been following the last couple of videos, I've been taking the car apart because I'm gonna be getting it painted, and there's a couple of things I wanted to do before I get it painted and get things prepped and stuff. So stick around for those videos, and we'll continue the progress on this car and keep this build going. And also, I get quite a lot of requests for videos of, can you show me how to do that, or replace this piece, or whatever. And some of my videos have been purely because of that. Something that maybe I already had planned, but I moved it on my schedule because some people had asked for it. But it's still great to find out what you guys are looking for, what kind of video you're wanting to see, because maybe it'll help you with your project. So, you know, maybe in the comment section, let me know of something that you're still looking to see. I got one guy that's been asking forever for electric power steering, so I'm still debating about doing that. It'd have to be after I paint the car, but I don't want to let that guy down, but he's been asking for a long time. So if you guys got some stuff, let me know. I'd love to hear it, and maybe I can do something for you guys. All right, guys, that's it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out. And we'll see you in 2024.